If you do embroidery, don't overlook this one unusual source for fabric for your embroidery. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pajagi, and embroidery. So when you do embroidery, you can do embroidery on a lot of different fabric. But one unusual source you might not have thought of was your own closet. I have, for example, this old shirt. It is 100% cotton and I'm not going to wear it very much anymore, but this has a lot of fabric that would be great for embroidery. The back has a big piece, even the sleeves, if you cut those and open it up, that would be a big piece. There is a lot of fabric in this one piece of clothing. So next time you're trying to find the perfect fabric for your embroidery project, don't forget to look in the back of your closet. For more embroidery tutorials, tips, and patterns, check out my website, epidastudio.com.